I say still I stand. Hey, shouting here I am. Hey, never had you seen in your lifetime a more divine southern rapper with a swag like mine, facing all kind of time, but smile like I'm fine. Brag with such passion to shine without trying. Believe me, pain's a small thing to a giant. I was born without a dime. Out the gutter I climbed, spoke my mind and didn't stutter one time. At least even the greatest gotta suffer sometimes. So I huff and puff rhyme, lyrics so sick with it, set the standard in Atlanta how to get it. So you up and coming rappers wanna diss, just kill it. I'm officially the realest, point blank period. Whether